Hello everyone, let's see how to make this beautiful duck. For that, first we need to make the face of this duck, and then we move ahead to the body, and then we're gonna draw hands and legs and then color it as per your choice, and it's ready. Next we are drawing a cute animal. For that, first we are making the face of the animal, and then we are making his cute eyes, and then we are drawing the body structure of this animal and the legs and the hands. After that, we are just making a fly beside this, as you can see, and then color it as per your choice. Next we are going to draw a lion. For that, we need to make the body and the face of the lion with black marker. After it, we are going to make legs and hands and tails of this lion. Then color it as per your choice. Next we are going to draw a peacock. First we are going to start with the face of the peacock, and then we move ahead to the body. After that, we are making the legs of this peacock, and then we are making the wings. After 2 wings, we are making the feathers of this peacock. You can see how we are doing it. You can color the peacock with any color you want or different combinations of color. We have added some pink, blue and yellow color. Next, we are making a picture of a tiger doing say cheese pose. First, we are making the face of the tiger, and then we are drawing the eyes and the mouth, moving ahead to the body of this tiger. As you can see, we are making him wear a piece of clothing just like this, and after that, we are making the hands and the legs of this tiger, and you can color it with any color you want. Here we have used some different color combinations for coloring it, but you can use any color you want. Next, we are drawing a deer. For that, we need to make the face of the deer, and then we move ahead to the body, and then we move ahead to the 4 legs of this deer, and then we are gonna just give some detailings to its body. After that, you can color it with any color you want. Next, we are drawing a dolphin. For that, you need to make the body of dolphin, including the fins and the eyes, and it's ready. Next, we are drawing a cute Mickey Mouse. First, draw the face structure of the Mickey Mouse, and then drawing the eyes, mouth, and the cute Mickey Mouse is ready. Next, we move ahead. Here we are using number technique of 4, 5, 6 to make 3 kind of poses of mouse. They all look so good. Next, we move ahead. Here we are making a cat with cute expression. First, we are making the body and the face of the cat, and then detailing the face. After that, we are making the eyes, nose and cute mouth of the cat, and it is ready. Next, we are drawing another cat and then giving it a different effect, and you can see it is also ready. Thanks for watching.